Where do you go for decorating ideas? Where do you go to buy your art? I know Pinterest. I think I just don't know how to use Pinterest. Maybe that's it. I'm using Shiseido Revitalising Skin Glow. I am hopefully picking my right color. I think it's 260. I just want to be really light. I'm in some joggers and an off-the-shoulder sweatshirt. No, yeah, from Garage. I don't even know what it's called. Top, just a top. And I'm going very, very casual. I love going shopping with my oldest daughter because she has amazing intuition as far as decorating goes. I just self-tan myself, so it might be a little too light. That's okay. I'm gonna boost it up with a bronzer. I'm gonna use my Dior. Let's see what this does. I haven't been good with my self-care these days because life has just been so busy. Later, when I get back from HomeSense, I'm gonna tint my eyelashes and my eyebrows. They're desperately in need of some color. Life gets so busy, but we can't forget to do what makes us feel good. I find that happens and I get out of the regular routine of just looking after myself. We all do that. We're moms or aunts or grandparents. Just taking a clean brush to blend that out. It's easy to put ourselves aside for everybody else. And then before you know it, we were like, what happened? The hair on my leg is this long. Using MAC Studio Radiance Concealer. This is N18. It looks a little dark until I blend it out. Right in there. Just under where I'm a little bit red. Let me take a little bit down there. I don't know why. I feel like I'm a little dark. There, that looks better. You see how I just kind of tamed that down a little bit? I must have gone too far with my bronzer. Yeah, that looks good. I'm so excited to use this. This is a Laura Mercier. Is it the Blur Powder or the original? I kind of don't mind my hair like this. Maybe I won't stick a hat on. Oh, I didn't know I got this. Oh, I'm gonna use this today. I was wondering what I was gonna use on my eyes. Yay, I've got a blush and an eye color. This one is Laura Mercier Caviar Stick in Modern Rose. Let's try it. I'm gonna place it on the outer corner first and kind of go up a little bit. And another thing that I'm gonna do tonight is highlight my hair. It is just, look at all of that is my natural color. So that needs to get done. So today is a little bit of a shopping day and a self-care day. Wait, I'm gonna put a little bit underneath. I never can stick to just one thing. Well, it is one thing. This is just one thing. It's such a beautiful package. Open. What a nice gift this would be for somebody, right? Okay, so this is the original powder, not the Blur powder, it looks like. And setting right in there. I'm gonna set my brows too. Oh, you can see where I placed it and where I didn't, you see? Just right around there. And here, because I touch my face all the time. This is Laura Mercier blush, and this is in Rose. Oh, I should put some mascara on first. If you were to have a full day for self-care, what would you do? Only doing things for yourself and nobody else. Is it getting your hair done, your nails done, bath, reading a book, go for a walk, shop? I think a lot of us women have to kind of force ourselves to do that. I know I do. In my head, I have this thing saying, well, you gotta do, I gotta do, I gotta do, I gotta do, I gotta do. I've had to change that conversation in my head to, I don't have to do. It's myself putting stress on myself. And I'm learning to get better at that. I'm practicing and learning to slow down and breathe. By the way, this was the Legit Lift Primer by MAC. This is the MAC Stack Mascara in the waterproof formula. It makes my lashes curl, and I think it's gonna rain on us a little bit today. Sometimes I realize that I don't take a breath, like deep down. All my breaths stay in here, they land here, and they don't go all the way down. And then when I think about breathing and really focus, I can get my breath right down in the pit of my stomach. It feels good. Oh yeah, yoga is another thing that you could do for self-care. Listening to meditation music, maybe. Okay, now for this blush. Pretty. Yes. I like it. Right, so where did this conversation start? Decorating. Where do you find your inspiration? Where do you buy your decor from? Do you ever hire a professional? I really feel like I need that sometimes just to tie everything together. And furniture placement, I struggle with that. Now for a lip, we're gonna go for MAC Sweet Tea. I haven't tried this one yet. I always fill my lips in. Maybe not so much in the center here, but the rest of it I do. I just don't like the idea of my lipstick potentially wearing off and then there just being a line. The lip liner helps the lipstick stay on better too.
Tell me why you're not just calling. You know that I'm praising more. It's solid, no, nothing, no. Baby, I need you always to be talking to no one but me.
I like that. That's a new color, is it? I think I'm gonna use Brave. Yeah, Brave works.
Oh my gosh, she's gorgeous, a beauty, always wonderful, precious, 'cause you're always beautiful.
Okay, I'm ready to go. Let me know in the comments to all my questions. I had a lot, so answer them all in the comments. Let me know where you shop. What do you do for self-care? I will see you later. Bye.